How to create an account in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and want to create an account, then firstly, open up the Devil May Cry Peak of Combat game on your device. Wait for the game to load, and once it loads, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the login button from the bottom of the screen. Now once you tap on the login button, you'll be able to see this tutorial page. Go ahead and complete the tutorials. And once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on the little gear button at the top right corner. This will open settings where you'll need to click User Center at the bottom. Now go ahead and click Change Account, click Confirm, and then click on Other Login Methods. Now you can sign up or sign in using Facebook, Google, email, or login with Google Play Games option. Just select any one method. I'm just going to click on sign in with email. Now input your email address and click on next step. Wait for the email inbox to arrive. A verification code will be sent to you via your email. Just go ahead and type down the email, and then you will be able to sign in or sign up for Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.